See guys, that's how you do it. You put shrimp and steak, and the rest of the condiments is on the bottom.
It's the way I do it. It's not how you do it. It's the way I do it.
That's my husband preference. Other people, they do it the other way. They put the meat first and top it up with the condiments right there with the condiments. But my husband, that's the way he do it. There's onions in there. No mushroom, right, Daddy?
No.
Onions and bell peppers, guys. Yep. That's steak and shrimp fajita. And now he will add the sauce. Mild sauce.